friends, welcome to a new episode of Unboxing Flatlay, where we share our favorite materials as well as bring back the excitement and visceral experience of exploring a new product. My name is Brandon Johnson.
And I'm Ariel Johnson, founder and principal of Ariel Design, interior design firm in Los Angeles. And today we have an exciting episode for you. We are presenting a concept called Safe and Sound.
Safe and Sound. Now, I don't know about you, but we've been experiencing crazy helicopters and sirens going off, people yelling and screaming. There's been so much sound pollution, if you will. Our son got a new drum set. We got to figure out a way to contain it.
That's right. Sound attenuation. So we're really excited to show you some really crazy materials that have the added benefit of sound attenuation, and we hope you enjoy it. Let's jump in.
All right, let's begin.
All right, let's jump into a really cool wall tile. This is coming to you from Stone Source. It is a resin and marble dust composite.
Wow.
It has a bit of a brutalist vibe. And it's great for outdoors too. We're using it by a pool to help with some of the sound attenuation by a pool. And yeah, it comes in a bunch of different colors.
Absolutely, said it all. Move on to that one.
This is one of our favorites. This is coming to you from Rosemary Hallgarten. It is a felt orb carpet, and it feels really delicious on your bare feet.
You can certainly put it on the walls for sound absorption, but boy, I'm telling you, just like Ariel said, walking on this thing is heaven. It is incredible. Strong wool, light, and also therapeutic.
Feels like a foot massage. Okay, next up we've got some cork.
Cork it up.
Cork has been used for sound attenuation since the dawn of time, but this is very cool because of the thick profile. This is coming to you from Hero Capri Collection, and I love it in its natural state.
Yeah, super light as well. Easy application. Very cool.
Yeah.
What else?
All right, and this is more of your traditional sound attenuation material, the felt. This is coming to you from Turf Design. It's called Tubular, and it has a very kind of tambour vibe to it, like on the walls, ceilings. I love the linear look of it.
Yeah, pretty simplistic in design, but extremely effective. And what do we have over here?
One of our faves.
What?
Anne Cairo Quinn, she does these leather installations. So we're using this on a project as an art piece, and we've got it kind of a light graze going over it. And she just does some really beautiful work. And it's art and sound attenuation, so it's doing double duty.
I just love like the 3D dimensionality of this product too, you know? And you can you wear it as a cape.
It's very fashionable.
It's very Walter Mercado, mucho amor. Sorry. And last but not least,
we've got a beautiful rug.
Look at this baby.
This is coming to you from Decorative Carpets.
Woo.
And it is a wool and nylon composite. It has a lot of pile dimension to it. And I think it's just like really beautiful in this like honey gold tone, very warm and cozy. And we're actually putting a lot of decorative rugs on the walls for tapestry vibes, so that's something we can think about using as well.
The possibilities are endless.
Yes.
All right, friends, that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to know any information about the materials that we shared today, check the description box below. And please share, like, subscribe, spread the word in the A&D community about our fun show.
Have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Unboxing Flatlay.